In this video, you will learn everything you need to know to become a certified drone pilot in Virginia, and how to obtain a Virginia drone pilot license. Be sure to watch the entire video so you do not miss out on any of the important parts of the process. To become a licensed drone pilot in Virginia, you will need to follow these steps. Step 1. Be sure you meet eligibility criteria. This first step to become a drone pilot in Virginia is that you need to make sure you meet the eligibility criteria. You need to be at least 16 years old and have the language abilities required to read, write, speak, and understand English. You must also possess a current government-issued identification card to verify your age and identity. Step 2. Take a physical and mental health assessment. Next, to get a Virginia drone pilot license, you need to examine your physical and mental well-being. You must be in good health and free from any conditions that could make it difficult for you to fly a drone safely. High spatial awareness and hand-eye coordination are also necessary for effective drone operation. Step 3. Enroll in a drone pilot training program. The third step to become a drone pilot in Virginia is that you need to enroll in a drone pilot training course. Although there are many excellent training programs available, we have listed the best FAA-approved course in the description below this video. This course offers a fantastic program and one of the most competitive costs for drone training. Step 4. Get a tracking number from the FAA. Next on your road to get a Virginia drone license is you need to get your FTN FAA tracking number. You must first make an IACRA profile in order to receive this tracking number, and before you can begin the application process for your remote pilot license in Virginia. You will be asked for personal information and to provide answers to security questions in order to verify your identity during this procedure. Step 5. Make an appointment with a testing facility that has FAA authorization. The next step to get a Virginia drone pilot license is that you will need to schedule an appointment with a knowledge testing center that has FAA clearance after receiving your FTN. You should bring a legitimate government-issued photo ID to the test. Step 6. Take and pass the aviation knowledge test. Next, to become a Virginia drone pilot, you need to take and pass the FAA exam. The test you need to pass to become Part 107 certified is the Unmanned Aircraft General Exam. This must be taken in person at a PSI testing facility. This test is given by the Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, and it covers a wide range of topics that are crucial to drone pilots. To pass the UAG exam, you must get at least 70%. The test can be taken at a knowledge testing center that has received FAA certification. The Basic Aeronautical Knowledge Test covers the same subjects as the UAG exam. The 60 multiple-choice questions on the test must be completed within 120 minutes. You need to get at least a 70% on the test in order to pass it. Step 7. Send in FAA Form 8710-13. You must submit an electronic FAA Integrated Airman Certificate and/or Rating Application Form 8710-13. This is done after passing the Fundamental Aeronautical Knowledge Test. Creating a new application, inserting the 17-digit Knowledge Test Exam ID, and submitting it are all steps in the application procedure. Step 8. Wait for an email confirmation. You should shortly receive a confirmation email saying that the TSA security background check has been completed. You can print the IACRA Temporary Remote Pilot Certificate by following the directions in this email. Step 9. Get your remote pilot certificate for Virginia. The last step to become a drone pilot in Virginia is to get your certificate. A permanent Virginia remote pilot certificate will be sent out once all internal FAA processing is complete. The processing time varies after the application is submitted. However, it could take up to 4 weeks to receive the certificate. By following these guidelines, you can legally fly a drone for work or amusement and earn your drone pilot certification. Be sure to like our video and subscribe to our channel for more drone education and information.